Write that word correction. Everybody?
Welcome to Dalat Primary, where Class 4 is hard at work.
Write animals.
Much like any other school, except for the students they call Gogo, or grandmother.
Don't make mistakes or spelling.
Meet Priscilla Sitanai. Here, they say she's the oldest primary school pupil in the world. Hello, Gogo.
Hello. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you? How old are you?
90.
90 years of age.
90. Wamana na wana watoto ile nyumbani na
I see children who are living hopelessly, children who are lost. I want them to see me in school. I want to inspire them.
naambia mimi nasema kitu gani nakoga nyinyi watoto kwa
Rain, rain, come. Rain, rain, come. Rain, rain, come.
And whatever her classmates can do, so can Gogo. Here, she's making up for lost time.
She has been a motivator to all the pupils around here. I think I'm very proud of her and what she's doing.
And it's not just the teachers who are proud. 7 classmates here are Gogo's great-grandchildren.
We love Gogo because when we make noise, she tells us keep quiet.
Are you Gogo's best friend?
Yes.
Why?
Because she tells us stories.
wacherani amjambo. Ati jambo.
Gogo is class prefect, and with it her knowledge and tribal traditions are passed on to future generations. Gogo says she wants to inspire, but she also represents a wider belief here that education isn't just for the few, it's for everyone, no matter who you are, where you're from, or even how old you are.
A B C D kitu ile mimi na mwambia watoto asome.
I want to say to the children of the world, especially girls, education will be your wealth. Don't look back.
Huyo takuwa mali yako.
And with that, Gogo has her own lesson to teach, that it's never too late. Ed Thomas, BBC News, Eldoret in Kenya.